Hello, I'm Justin Pilton,
And I'm Colton Pogue.
and we are the Gaming Fishers. Today we're fishing unexplored territory for us, so let's see what we can do.
We already tried to record this, but then...
And he almost fell.
Yeah.
So we're hitting new territory. We're using the little Zebco telecast reel with a Micro 33.
Wait, Justin, quickly reel that in and record me because I see something in the water.
Looks like a scooter. Hold on, let's go for it. Let's see what it is.
A scooter fish!
It looks like one of those older little scooter type deals.
Well, let's get out of the water. It doesn't need to be in the water.
Yeah, but at the same time, who cares? Because now, yep, little scooter. Little scooter. Little three-wheel scooter.
I'll put it on the sidelines.
So hopefully what we're going to do here is get to, come on. You need to do a little bit better. Look at all the raccoon tracks. All these little tracks right through here by the... So hopefully what we're going to do here is we're going to get up to a spot where it's kind of a little deeper. And I know for a fact there's some decent fish up in this area. So we're going to hit right here real quick before we go any further. This is a part of the creek I haven't waded in years.
So who knows how much... What?
I had a fish, but I lost it.
Had a fish on?
Had a fish on. So, funnily enough, after the last fishing video, I went to move the rods out of my thing, and I ended up... Oh, shoot, fish.
Fish on? Continue what you were saying.
I ended up putting the hook for this rod over this pole. Ooh, a little smallmouth. Fish on, fish on. Okay. Oh, shit. Hey, come on, stop. Stop.
Y'all probably can't hear it, but every step I take sounds almost like a fart. Hey, we're trying to help you. We're also getting views on YouTube.
Wow, he took this.
He's a fighter.
Yeah, he took this bad. I don't like how he took it, because he took it deep, but he took the other part of it. Colton, give me those pliers.
Oh, okay. If I can get into my pocket. Oh.
Come on.
Hey, we're trying to help you, little fish.
Stay out of my leg. I'm going to reel this in just a little bit more. Okay.
We don't want to hurt you. Here you go.
Alright, I know I'm holding him weird, but it's because he's hooked in a weird spot and I don't like it. Alright, so that one's good.
Is that cardboard? Oh. Hey. There we go.
Alright, so.
See, little fish?
Nice little smallmouth. We're going to show you here. There we go. She's a good little fish. So, first fish of the channel.
I mean video?
Or the video, yeah. My bad. What did I say, channel?
Yes.
Okay.
I think I see some cardboard right there.
No, it's a piece of metal.
Should we get out of the water?
Nah, we're just going to leave it.
Just leave it?
So, we're going to go up to our next spot. We're going to pause the video here real quick, and we're going to get to the next spot.
Okay. See you later. Go.
We're a
Oh, wait.
bit further.
Now go.
Alright, we're a little bit further upstream, so we can get another little fish here. That last fish we had, it hit it once, and I threw it back in, and it did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Take it on. So we're just going to do a couple casts here, but this isn't the spot we really want to hit.
Having bugs.
Oh yeah, it's dust. Fish on.
Fish on?
Fish on.
Okay.
Good fish, good fish. Good fish. Oh, crap. Good fish, good fish. Oh, wow, good fish.
Would you say it's bigger, as big, or a little bit smaller than the biggest fish on the channel? Bugs are bothering me.
I'd say bigger.
JP, can we please hurry it up? Bugs are flying all around me.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know what they are.
Oh, they're little, Man, good fish. Colton, look at this.
Found it.
So this is bigger than the fish we got last time.
Okay, so
This might be our new personal best. Go off the hand here.
here's the other hand.
Oh man, that is a gorgeous fish.
Give him a little kiss.
Nah, that's a gorgeous fish. But I think this is longer. I don't think it weighs more, but there's a good new fish there. We're gonna give her a little chance back. There we go. So we're gonna pause it and get to the next one. We'll see if we can get 3 fish in a video.
See you later.
Go. All right, we're back. We're gonna see if we can catch a new personal best down. Oh, hold on. I realized the hook was all screwed up. Went to cast it and I realized the hook was screwy. There we go. Unscrewy hook.
You know, that person probably doesn't even know we have a YouTube channel. He's probably looking at us like we're crazy just talking. Oh.
So let's see what we can do. I have a feeling we're gonna get a new personal best from down here. Fish on.
Oh, ready?
Nope. Good
Oh.
luck. Really wish I had my sunglasses on me. Sunglasses help tremendously.
Don't know what to tell you, Justin.
But I think we're going to get a new personal best on the fish down here, so let's see what we can do. There's a spot I haven't fished in years. It's one of the deeper spots of the creek.
So that
Kinda
means
like
I might
that
have.
spot where we went kayak fishing.
Yes, I know.
Fish on.
Oh, a new record. Nope. Never mind.
It hit it, but they're hitting, but they're not keeping it.
Ah.
Colton wants to do a little bit of adjustment here because I'm going to try to get back
You want him
over
to
there.
get back over there a bit?
I want to try to get back in that little corner right there.
Okay.
In all honesty, the fish are probably up here in these branches.
Yeah.
Getting further upstream and then casting out this way might be a better. Let's see. So far today on the channel, we've got 2 smallmouth bass, which great smallmouths. This area back over here, I just have this feeling we might get our biggest fish yet.
Okay.
Oof, that was close. I didn't bring the rooster tail because I don't have the other rod. The rooster tail would be hitting them like crazy right now.
Ah.
You know, gives it a nice little shiny target.
Yeah. Sorry y'all for the weird camera angles.
He keeps getting bit by bugs, and man, you got a nice little welt on your arm from that.
I noticed.
I don't understand why you keep getting bit by bugs. I keep getting bothered by them. Holy shit! Look at that spider.
Oh.
Look at that spider. Look at the size of that spider.
Yeah.
That is a spider.
Is it poisonous or venomous or whatever?
It looks like a wolf spider. So yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah, there are some fish in there. We're going to.
Do you have a GUN on you?
Huh?
To take care of that spider, a GUN?
No. Why would I'm not gonna do that here. Are you fucking retarded?
Hey, no
Look
swearing.
at all that.
That's why I
look at
said
that bluegill.
GUN. Can't see it on the camera.
Oh, I can see him. There's a ton of them right there. Be our record channel blue or our record bluegill on the channel. Fish on.
Fish on?
Fish on. What do we got?
Well, you just mentioned a bunch of bluegill.
Nope. Another smallmouth.
Huh. New record.
Nope.
3 fish in 1 video.
Oh, that's a record, yeah. Another smallmouth.
That spider's probably looking at us like, what are they doing? Whoa.
Shit, that don't count.
No swearing.
We're not a certified channel yet anyway, so.
Still, don't want to take the risk.
What's our time frame, Colton?
10 minutes and 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12
All right,
seconds,
cool.
13 seconds. Yeah.
We got time. So I don't know if you want to count that one or not. I don't.
We'll let the
personally, 'cause
comments
I didn't
decide.
Get it off the hook.
Let's not have
It
let's
knocked itself off the hook.
let's have the comments decide if that was a.
But I knew I could throw it in there and catch something. See if I can get something else. Oh yeah, they're definitely hitting.
Do your job,
They're
Spider.
swarming. Look at that.
Spider, do your job. Eat these bugs.
They are swarming. Like I can see like 5 or 6 fish just hitting on it right now.
What is that light blue thing all the way over there?
Looks like a pool. It looks like a pool. Something we used to close pools with. It keeps the air out of the water. It keeps the water out of the line when you close the pool.
Should we go and grab it?
Yeah. So far, we're at like 3 fish for the channel, or for the day. Let's see if we can do one more. Hey, quit making noise. You're scaring the fish. Bud.
Sorry. Thought they were tiny enough noises where I.
No, you gotta think. Remember when you're in a pool? Ooh.
12 minutes and 24 seconds on the video.
Yeah. Alright, so far we're at maybe possibly a new personal best to the channel.
If y'all want to count it.
That's really good.
How sudden is the drop?
It's not a sudden drop. It's really, you step in it and you sink. Colton, you step in it, you sink.
Okay, then I just won't step in it.
I know there's some fish in here. I really wish I had that rooster tail. Very good. Now it undid itself. We need one more fish. One more fish in the next couple minutes.
13 minutes and 50 seconds.
I really wish I had the rooster tail right now. Rooster tail would be getting so many hits on this.
Honestly,
It's a great little thing for what we're doing.
I don't think we made any official rules for what counts as a catch.
There's some. The thing is, there's unofficial rules. The thing is, you have to land it. If you're landing.
I mean, like for our YouTube channel.
Oh, come on, take it. Come on. Come on. Give me something good to hit here with. Alright, I think we're at the end of our time.